All right. Put it in your cup. Find some more.
Look on the TV again.
Look on the TV, Danny.
What? Oh.
Come on, Ty. Get going.
Danny, look on the TV again. Right here. Look for the Easter egg on TV.
Keep looking for eggs, Danny.
Are these the lower ones?
Huh? All right.
Are these the lower ones?
No.
Good job.
Oh man! Why did the Easter Bunny have to put us back up?
Oh, you don't want to?
Where else are the eggs, Danny?
Bagel.
Bagel with butter?
Yep. Is this lower?
Yeah, why don't you see if you can find that one? Oh, there's so many up high, Tyler.
That Easter Bunny knows how to hop.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I got one. I got one.
You got one?
Yeah.
Is there some over there? Do you see any other eggs on the kitchen island? He's not seeing it.
I think I'm done.
I don't think so.
I
I
can't.
see another one up high.
Danny, look on the kitchen island.
Yeah.
There you go.
Great, Adam. Really.
I see another one.
Keep looking.
3. 4.
You shall eat that. He got one. He leaves one. Tyson.
Oh,
Yeah, he sees that one.
yeah. Tyler, can you grab that one for him? Nice job, Danny.
Got
Wow,
one
he
of
filled up
Tyler's.
the cup pretty fast. Trump.
Yeah.
Here for a second. Oh, come on!
Danny. Careful, Tyler.
Down low. Too late, he already found it. Here.
I didn't check that.
No.
I got one.
Find a whole bunch of eggs.
Yeah.
Done.
No. Are you done already?
I done that already.
I see another one.
I done that already. He took mine away.
I gave you one.